morning right now where we're at. It's 11 p.m. What time is it? Take shelter now?
Heavy rain has been detected near your location.
Look at all the red. Should we get out of the camper?
It's a long time to sit up there.
Huh?
It's a long time to sit up there.
So we're sitting in the truck now because we were gonna go sit in the bathrooms. Oh my god, every little like, whoa, we're here now. Of the rest stop, but we figured just sit in the truck, that way we could hear better if we start to hear that freight train sound. I've never heard it before, but I've heard that's what you listen for, right? Mm-hmm. You're not worried? Mm-hmm. You're just trying to show off. I'm worried. I'm getting nervous. Like, I would much rather at this point be in a house in a Cat 4 hurricane than out here with the possibilities of getting one of these tornadoes in a camper. Yeah, I'm over here waiting and listening for freight train sounds, and Donny's over here sawing logs. Good morning. It is Wednesday at like 7 a.m. and we are still at the rest stop that you've seen us at in the previous video, where the security guy was basically telling us that we had to leave, and anyways, we ended up staying, and I think we're going to just continue to stay here and quit driving at this point, because, you know, no matter where we go along the East Coast, it's going to be the same outcome either way, basically. So we're just going to hunker down here, and we got a lot of, not on this side, but on the other side, a bunch of semis. They're all going that way. So it'd be nice if we had one right here to protect us from any of those strong winds that we might get, but you know, maybe we'll see if things change. We don't know yet. We're gonna keep an eye on the radar. So far, the only thing that we're really dealing with is just a lot of rain and tornado warnings, which that gets scary to me. You know, I mean, that's worse than almost being in a hurricane in a regular house. So other than that, we're doing okay. Donny is over there at the restrooms right now, at the concession, or whatever you want to call them, the vending machines, getting some coffee, and we're just hanging out right now. So the latest update for Charlotte County is, I think at like 7 o'clock this morning, and it's around 8:30 on Wednesday. The Hurricane Ian has reached Category 4 status with 140 mile an hour winds moving north-northeast at only 10 miles per hour. That is so slow. Dangerous conditions ahead with up to 12 feet of storm surges, heavy rain, and possible tornadoes. So now we're seeing this picture that is showing this major hurricane that we went through back in 2004, Hurricane Charlie, that the whole size of Hurricane Charlie, which was gnarly and did a ton of damage, fits in the eye of Ian. And I'll show you a picture here. Absolutely insane. There's no way. This here is footage that my mother sent me around 10 a.m. on Wednesday at her place in Port Charlotte. And this is just the beginnings of the storm. You know, the winds are starting to pick up slightly, starting to rain. This is just the beginning. It's going to get way, way, way worse than this. Finger, Port Charlotte, right there. You're getting cranked. So is it? Oh, it's kind of turning a little bit. You see, it's kind of going like this, like it's coming around. Like the eye's gonna go right over Port Charlotte. I cannot believe this. Now for some footage.
This looks like the most powerful part where these winds are coming together right here. And they got a long ways to go before that gets to them. Eric's going to be in the eye real soon. There's North Dakota right there.
But she's going to be in the eye before him, though.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're coming up pretty soon. Right now, you're at the tip of Charlotte Harbor. There, Port Charlotte Beach just got into the eye wall.
Tiny houses.
Tiny houses up in here.
Oh my God.
Just got plastered by that red blob.
Yep. So we're just laying here. We're kind of feeling bad that everybody else is going through all this. It's horrible. Nobody has power or reception, so everybody, but they all have text messages. So they're all texting us. My mom, his brother, one of his brothers, my daughter, they're all, trying to relay to us to relay to them where the storm is and when they're going to get to the eye and how fast it's going. And so we're playing meteorologist right now for everybody, and hoping that once it passes through all of them, it won't. Oh crap, I don't even know if that was recording. My phone's about to go dead. But hopefully where are we at now? We're at a Flying J in Fort Pierce, and yes, I mean, if it keeps going in the direction that it's going and it doesn't lose its momentum, which most likely it will, it would be coming straight to us. But I'm not too worried about it yet. Hopefully I don't eat my words. We just got a tornado warning or alert.
We're tucked into walls of something.
Oh yeah, and I'll show you where we are here. So we're pretty secure in between all these semis. I'd say we're pretty secure in here. Benny! Hi! Oh man, this thing is just cranking right through Charlotte Harbor, Port Charlotte,
this.
Northport, Punta Gorda, and headed to Arcadia. I mean, it is hitting every
I've
town.
got the crosshairs right on your mom's house.
So yeah, my mom is in the eye of the storm right now, just getting there, and then it'll be at his brother's in Northport. Probably how long you think it'll take?
I don't think he's gonna get it because he's over here and it's going this
Oh, it's
way.
shifting towards Punta Gorda now.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know.
Eric's
This
in
is
the rough of it right now. He's right over in here.
oh, he's in all that red.
They're hunkered down right now.
Oh my
I
God.
promise you.
Oh yeah, for sure. I can't wait to hear afterwards. But it's gonna do it for this video, so I can get this out and you guys can see what's going on currently right now. And then I'll put out another video tomorrow. And I don't know if we'll still be here where we're at or by the next video, or maybe that'll be, I don't know. We'll have to see. But there'll be another video tomorrow.